Merry Christmas! Welcome and welcome back to TVCMALL channel. Christmas is around our corner. Today we've got some cool stuff from TVCMALL to show you that made your holiday extra special. Let's check them out. Christmas glow everywhere you go. First up, check out this LED string light. Whack them in your tree, dress up your windows, or even bring some twinkles to your backyard. They are super flexible like this and totally even waterproof. It is perfect for creating the Christmas vibes indoors and out, right? And for the touch of interesting, how about this projector with the water wave light? Let's see how it works. So actually you can change the picture at first by choosing the different slide. There are various slides for your option. Let's see its pictures at first. It's so pretty, right? And I can change the colors, the pattern. Okay, and let's give that tree some extra sparkles. Then I would recommend this item. The champagne gold ornaments are not just shining, and they also are durable too. And you know what's the most important thing is that they comes in a gift-ready box. It's really perfect for giving to your friends and family. Ready for Christmas dancings? Our Christmas dancings mini trees is here to bring the lucky and happiness to you. So cute. Short on space, no problems. Look at this Christmas mini tree toy. It's perfect for your decks or your little cozy corner. And now let's talk about something that really warm up your winters. Our cozy fluffy phone cases. They aren't just cases. They are like holding a little bit Christmas in your hand. And the best part, our selection has covered your phone models you can think of. Whether it's in store or not, our sourcing and wholesale services have got it covered. So no matter your phones, just swap it in your holiday style. And there you have it. Thank you for watching today, and be remembers at TVCMALL, the more you buy, the more you save. So happy holidays and happy shopping. Bye bye.